Okay, we just checked into room 268 at the Tropicana. The bus stop looks like on a map it's far away because they drop you off at the hotel next door. We took the Mickey Express, but it's really just super close. So don't be worried about that like I was. But we did pass one homeless person sleeping on the street and another very drunk person sleeping on the street. But lots of people out milling around. So we have a sleeper chair right there and 2 queens, so you could fit 5. It is a standard California hotel where the rooms are on the outside. We see that a lot in this area. There's a full-length mirror over there, a luggage rack, a big TV, coffee maker, safe, fridge, luggage rack over here, security. We got 2 queen beds, an alarm clock, and phone. Here's your getting ready area.
I forgot to turn the light off.
Couple of hangers. And
A big bathroom.
a shower. Little condiments. Bathtub for the kids. And Mr. John. This will be just fine for us. Looking forward to our stay at Disneyland. Say bye. Thanks for watching. See you next time. They are excited. Someone has to go potty. Thanks for watching. We'll let you know how it goes. Are you excited to see Mickey?
Yeah.
When are we going to see him?
Yes.
Tomorrow. Yay! You're going to kiss his nose?
Yeah.
All right. Say see you next time. Bye, YouTube friends.
Bye, kids.
See ya.
See ya.